Caution's out for Tanner Gray in the number 15 Toyota. Whoa, man.
Yeah, we interviewed him.
That's hard contact.
Oh, that's not going.
Ooh. Man. I don't think he'll be able to continue after what happened. Whoa, and the hood's popping open. Wow.
Got loose underneath the one. It's his teammate has problems.
Wow.
The radiator actually sticking up. It actually came out of its mount.
Yeah.
It's barely even hanging.
The radiator's destroyed.
About early,
And the truck has come to a complete stop. Let's take a look at the replay.
There. And that's exactly. Oh,
There he goes.
The ankle hanging on, but he's going to have a little damage.
Ooh. Hard contact.
And you just feel terrible for Tanner because it's just such a great truck and he wanted it so bad. He knows he's got to win. And
we talked about him being 24
unfortunately,
points below the cut line coming
Tanner
in.
Gray will not have a chance to win
It's
today.
almost going to be a must-win to him now.
He is the first truck out, and we haven't even gone to lap 10 yet. We haven't even finished the stage yet.
Number of drivers between him and a playoff spot and how tight things
Oh,
are.
man.
Seems pretty obvious now. He's going to have to win at Richmond if he's going to qualify for the playoffs. Let's go on board.
It's going to be
Daniel
tough.
Dies on board camera.
oh man,
Take a look at this.
And almost caught it one time, then it got away from him.
Whoa!
No
Hard
way to put that
contact.
inside safely here.
and you can
Like
hear
I said
Daniel
just
heads
now.
up on the throttle. He saw him get
Wow.
sideways right away, lifted
That
up,
was
and then
intense.
saw that it was going to
Yep.
be clear to the top and went that way.
Tanner Gray's day is done. His day is done.
After the impact,
Hopefully
Wallace
things will be
listening in
fine.
on the radio, and there